I'm Chelsea and I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial on how to curl your hair in a very, very curly way. I do not have the most full hair and my hair runs on the thin side, but I've been able to achieve these like really beautiful, fun curls the last week, and I've had a lot of people ask me on my Instagram how I got this type of curls. So I'm not a YouTube video hairstylist whatsoever. I probably won't do this 100% the right way, but I'm just a girl who has kind of thin hair, not very full hair, who lives in Florida where the humidity is like 1,000,000%, who found a way to get my hair to be curly. So my baby Amelia is sleeping in the next room, so we're gonna pray that she stays asleep just a little bit longer so I can finish making this video. Dry shampoo and hairspray just helps living in Florida where there's so much humidity. My hair is flat and so it needs a little oomph and then it needs a little hold. So this is just very helpful for me to use. I take my hair down. So this is kind of what my hair naturally looks like, which isn't horrible, it's just kind of flat, not very fun. And then I already kind of brushed my hair, so we're just gonna kind of comb it one last time. It's just easier to curl it when it's brushed. All right, we're just gonna dry shampoo the roots to help it lift a little bit as we curl. And the curling wand that I am using is Bed Head, and it's called Curly Pop online, and it's a 1/2 inch. So you can get these at Ulta or you can get them on Amazon. All right, so I'm gonna start right here so you can kind of see what it's going to look like. And I'm not gonna take super thick pieces of hair on the top. I'm gonna do thinner ones so it stays curlier on the top, and then I'll do some thicker ones on the bottom. So I go backwards like this. I like these ones to be this way. And I turn the curling wand upside down, kind of like that, and I wrap, and then I just roll it to the root. All right, so that's how the curls are going to come out at first. Don't freak out. This is just how they naturally look before you brush them out. Alright, now that you've curled your hair, don't freak out. It's going to look really bad and it's gonna look like Shirley Temple. When I first curled my hair like this, we were going to a friend's dinner party like in 20 minutes and I almost cried. I was like, oh my gosh. You're just gonna kind of brush these curls out just a little bit with your fingers, and then for me, I'm going to use a very, very soft brush. It's actually a wet brush, just to brush the curls out even more. It's gonna be shocking the first time you do it because it's not gonna look anything like your natural hair, and you'll kind of have to figure out how to make it look the way you like. So for me, just leaving it like this might be fun if I'm going to the beach or if I'm on a casual day out with friends, but going to work I feel a little crazy like this. So I will probably take a bobby pin and I will wrap this piece of hair here and I'll just pin it like that. And see, that looks really, really cute if it's pinned. I may pull back the front pieces. You could braid a few pieces of your hair. So that's kind of what the braid looks like. All right, Amelia wanted to come say hi before we close the video out. Do you like Mama's curls? I look a little crazy, right? So Mama Mia, say bye.